しいから授けるこの星の広さ目に合うと緑色、数奇がなかったらここまでもできてない笑顔にさせたい
We made it to Haneda Airport. Now I gotta find out how to get to Shibuya.
こなしていつか築き上げたい俺らだけの城生まれた場所でそれじゃ物足りないみんなわかるやろめ墓場なら時期ねできるだけレベルないマイキでスピレラ、世界各国でパリしたいハングルボーン回す天板一気に持ってく今は願うそれぞれの土地文化触れ合うよし足自分で決めよう Wanna fly Hey どっからどう見たってパラダイスタップするフォンから生まれる問題枠から外れて合わせる根体アクセク働きたいわけではない跳ねる遠くに意味もないけど遠くに行きたいな somewhere まだ狭いこの世界地球は広いのになんてる
羽田関西から Go fly out 東京まで揺られるバスジェットエンジンウージャンナップ See a get 不時着する情熱期待ば出して雨降らす雲の下両手を広げるショーシャンク羽田関西から Go fly out
Alright, we got off at the Yoyogi station right before Shinjuku. We're gonna try speedrun Meiji Jingu and I think it's called Shinjuku Gyoen Garden. It's raining like hell right now. Might be cool. Let's go. Alright, I just finished paying my respects and making my wishes. Now we're gonna head to Yoyogi Park and then the Shinjuku Gyoen Park. It's raining. Alright, the pond at the center of Yoyogi Park was under renovation, so the premise of that area as a tourist spot is kind of destroyed, but it's cool. The stroll is still nice, so yeah. Okay, so the bus came a minute before I got to the station, so that's awesome. So we're just gonna walk. It's a mile away. Hopefully I find food on the way because I'm hungry. Alright, we got half a mile left and I'll walk the bus, so we're gonna catch the bus for the rest of it.
てますので前方で停車。
Yo, Gert, we're in Shibuya. Let's go get some food, chat. Oh, happy Pride Month. Gotta tell all my gay people. Point tocado. Yo, Gert. Alright, I'm over it. Alright, we're going to Mom's Touch. This is a lot smaller than I thought, so we're gonna go get food somewhere else after this. Gonna snack on this and then probably go shopping and then go play pachinko. We're gonna hit up the Adidas because it's staring right at me. And Uniqlo kind of just went back in circles, back and forth because I don't know what to do. Olesa. Uniqlo was a uni no-go. Hopefully I get something. Also, I might hit up Zoff. Alright, I still didn't get anything. I'm just gonna keep walking back and forth, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. I just keep turning corners and it's different places every time. Sugoi. I'm just a chill guy who wants to find the toilet. One Piece it. Boy, it ain't even One Piece, bro. Alright, I checked out that whole area. I think I'm picky, but it also seemed like it was some ass, so I didn't get anything. Still haven't gotten anything. Trash. Alright chat, it's 8 p.m. I have 38.5k steps. I stay here till I hit 40. It's about that time. Food. I'm sweating on that. These are dangerous, bro. Drunk. I got 5% on my iPhone 16 Pro and I have 12 miles to go, so I might be cooked. I just might be cooked. I'm putting my survival skills to the test right now. My phone literally died like 10 miles away from my hotel, but I found this outlet in like a mall. So yeah, my phone's at 4% now. I'm gonna let it charge and then go home. Like I literally was just free balling it for like 45 minutes. Yo, huge shout out to this karaoke parlor for giving me the outlet. I got you boys. I'll plug that thing back in. Alright, let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. It's time to go to sleep. Oh, it's time to go to sleep. Yo, we walked into the wrong hotel.
Follow the cast members' instructions and proceed one by one.